Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here, Forex Trading for Beginners. You know, for me, it's all about changing lives. It's day 2 of the show and tell 500 pips per week club. Show and tell, gold, silver, indices. Day 2, so nothing's missed. So you see it every single day. So it's not just something you making up on one day. If I see it every day, you can see it's true, it's possible. You can see what's happening. So I'll put my glasses on, ladies and gentlemen. Let's dive in. Now remember, yesterday we got over 2,500 pips. We actually smashed 5 weeks worth of target in one day. Let's share my screen right now. Now, the other thing to bear in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this is Friday. I'm in Thailand, as you know, and it's Saturday for me, but Friday. So I've marked Friday here, this here. I have different lines and I've added a few different things to make it even easier. But as per usual, yeah, these go through here. And for the people who are not Scottish, the one thing you need is a calculator. If you don't have access to a calculator, fly to Scotland, you'll get one. It's a great bit of kit. It's really good for adding up your pips. I highly recommend it, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday, 2,513. That was yesterday, 2,513. I'm now it's down to 0. All I'm going to do, ladies and gentlemen, mark open. Whenever I see a green line, I buy. When it changes colour, if I see a red, if I don't see a red, do nothing. Here we go. Here's the green. See the colour change there? It changes colour just there. That's 19 pips. So just type in 19 pips plus. Okay, come down. That point there, I would enter there. And we go there, back up. What's that? 61 clicks plus 61. So far, that's not bad. Let's go to silver, ladies. Let's go to silver. Oh, sorry. Did I miss something out there? No, let me just check. Let me do that again. I missed all this move here. I'm really sorry, ladies and gentlemen. So we're playing about with these, this not getting in here, waiting for it to turn, using this one here, and boom. And there, over 150 plus 115. Thank you very much. I'm now coming to silver. Market opens. Now you can see this one here. Not really feeling the love for this one, to be fair. Not really feeling the love to be this. That point there, absolutely. So I'm not taking any of that there. I'm just my first trades here. Get there, wicks. Yeah, come back up. 100 and let's even take it halfway. Let's call it 90 pips. Let's call it 90 pips. I've been quite hard on myself, 90 pips. And then from there, probably there, ladies and gentlemen, probably from there, boom, all the way up. 223, 223, and let me just double check that. 223 and 90 plus 223 plus 90. Standard & Poor's 500. Here we go. Where's the lines? Like market opens. Green, red, green, green. Not really feeling the love. You could have potentially have entered there. And if you did get in that, you'd have been straight back out. So let's call it break even. At this point here, I'm feeling more the love. I'd wait for it to actually push down. Not really a little bit there. It comes down. Next candle, you notice it going up the way, and you probably exit around about there. Maybe even there. Let's call it. Let's see if we can call it 10 pips. Not a lot, is it? It's plus 10 pips. It's not even a lot. Unless it's a bit embarrassing there. And this one here. From there, green there. See that? All the way up. And I'm going to exit there. 29. As 100. Oh, where's my line? Where's my money line, please? It's not strong. Where's my money line? Oh, look at that there. It's actually behind there. It's really weak. So when you see that, you can't even see it. So because we've got a red background, it should be a sell, but it's green, red, green, red. But it's nothing but I could. Yeah, I'm not really feeling the love for that whatsoever. I could potentially get in there and it might take me back out. So let's call that a break even there. Been quite hard on myself at that point there, ladies and gentlemen. There. Starts breaking through. So let's see if we get in there. Tough. He was even higher. Wow. What's that green line there? So we get it. If someone comes back in there and you exit the trade, call it 100 pips. Plus 100. US 30. There. Not really much happening there. You possibly get into that one. Get down, you might get a back up. Nothing really much happening. I've been really tough on myself today. That one there. Let's even call it 10 pips. Maybe never you got in right on the thing. US oil. Here. Okay, let's green one here. In here. Got there. One candle. Might even get that one there. Let's put it 30. Yeah. Back up there. Good baseline. Might get in there. Boom, boom. Yeah, so change it to it. Boom. Call that one. And that's enough. I'm not going to claim anymore. German 30. This one's a nice strong push down. That's a nice strong push down. We'll probably get maybe halfway in there. Fair. But then we're coming back up. So let's see getting that one right there. Why? Because we're under the red background. Boom. Down. Come back up there. 535 pips. Boom shagala. Plus 535. Oh, then you've got all this up here. Forgot about this. Would I get that? Not there, or get it probably from there. Safety. And come down, and I'll probably say I'm getting this. And that's maybe 300 pips. So far, that's 1,500 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Practically 500. French. There, bum, 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 bum. There. 160 plus. Oh, there's more going up here. I forgot. Sorry. Where's my green line? Where's my? There. I'm not really feeling the love for it there. Also there. Down. Up there. 150 plus. 100. We don't know. We're into that. Probably into there. Oh, nothing actually. You can't take everything. Let's call it 300. 0.50. Straight down, changes color there. 154. Nothing until possibly getting there. Let's call that one break even. Plus got 150. Plus 2 more. Japanese yen, the Nikkei 225, and the Aussie 200. So market comes down. Look at that. If you were in that spike shop, you would have probably, if you did get down, it would have probably lost that percent. But let's wait for here. Come down. Exit the trade there. 140 pips. Plus 140. And the last one. Oh, sorry. Forgot all about this. And there, where's my still red? So I'm not getting into that trade, but it's still red. I could have got something there, maybe, but I'll give that a miss. Aussie 200. Uncertainty. Good. This is the 1 hour time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Hiking normal candles today, actually. Normal candles today. Maybe getting halfway there. 71. Get back in there. Halfway up there. 71. Let's call it 250, 260 for round numbers. 260 is fine. That's 260. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a bit tougher today. That's 2,852 pips. 2,852 pips. Well, I say to everybody, ladies and gentlemen, who do you know? Who do you know who would like an opportunity? That's right, an opportunity to discover this. What's possible? It's 500 pips per week club, and we're doing 5 times that every single day. It's true, it's possible. Got the traffic lights, got the money line, got a divergence. As long as everything's all matched up, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So it's Jeffrey, ladies and gentlemen. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, around the world, I will see you at the very top. Have a great day, and bye for now.